State Management, User Management Roles and Permissions. Hello, and welcome to our Smart Trading video tutorial that will guide you through the capabilities of state management. In this video, we are going to talk about how to manage users and assign them roles and permissions. Prerequisites. To start working with state management, install state management on a local system, and then sign into state management at https localhost port 9443. The user management and roles permissions options are only available to an administrator. Users with other roles do not have access to the settings section. To find out more on state management installation and to learn the basics of state management, watch the corresponding videos in our channel. User management. We're going to talk about user management and roles with permissions. In state management, you can add or remove users and modify account properties. After you have added users to state management, depending on their access permissions, full or read-only, users can model and monitor, or just monitor, their cross-enterprise business processes. In the Users pane, you can enable or disable users, provide users with access to the system, manage users' passwords to state management, assign roles to users, provide users with access to different domains. The Enabled option allows you to allow or prevent a user from logging on to state management and disable user accounts without deleting them from state management. Now let's go to state management and add a new user. In the Settings section, select the Users pane. On the User Management page, click Add User. In the Add New User dialog, enter the login, copy a password or generate a new one, enter the first and last names of a user, her or his job title, the email address, and the phone number. Select a role you want to assign to the user, select a domain or domains, and then click Save. The user is added to the system. You can set the permissions for different roles. Only an administrator can manage the roles and set full or read-only permissions for users to access the Design and Events sections. As an administrator, you can provide users with access to the following options. Purge, only available to an administrator. This allows you to define a time range within which you need to delete events and business items, that is, process groups and processes, with all associated events. Query, available for all roles. This allows you to query for business objects by setting different parameters and filters to get detailed information about users' business processes. Report, available for all roles. This allows you to view the number of business objects in existing processes, the total processing statistics, and compare the business objects ratio. Now let's edit the developer's role. In the Settings section, select the Roles Permissions pane. On the Roles and Permissions page, next to Developers, Set full or read-only access permission for design. Select Submit and Retrieve or Retrieve Only options for events. Enable or disable Purge, Query, and Report options. You can also click the Edit setting and in the Edit Role dialog, edit the developer's role settings. You can also visit our channel at youtube.com/edifx to find more videos and presentations.